What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media and Next Level Workshops, and today we're talking about the Clic Profoto gel holder. This is a really cool featured product that I am very excited about because I have a ton of old gel sheets laying around that are colors that didn't come with any of the gel kits that Profoto previously sold. So what this does is this allows you to just cut out a sheet, like gel from any old sheet, use this stencil that comes with it, just mark it around it, and then you can just cut it out with a pair of scissors or a razor blade or something like that, and then you have gels of any color you want. So I've got old gels from old systems that I've loved the colors, but there were kind of maybe some unique colors like this one, which is like a brown gel, just something like that. So what this allows you to do is you need minimal gear for this. So you need an old sheet of paper, gel paper. You need a Sharpie to mark, to use this stencil that comes with the gel holder. Mark it on the paper, and then you need either some scissors or some razor blade or something like that. I'm very aware that these scissors used to be fabric scissors. They haven't been for many, many years, so I can use them with plastic and paper now without ruining them because they're already ruined. But what we're gonna do is you're just gonna lay the sheet of gel down on a flat surface, mark it with the Sharpie, and then you just cut around the line. And then when you are all done with that, you have this cutout sheet. All you do is you throw that into the gel holder, like so, and click it in, and now you have a gel of literally any color you want as long as you have the gel paper already. You could either buy multiple of these and just kind of keep them in there, or it's really easy just to pop it out, throw another one in, and then just click it right on the end of your light, and you've got color. So once you've cut your stencils out, you can just go ahead and keep them in this bag that Profoto sends with the gel holder. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and follow Ready Light Media. Check me out online at nextlevelworkshops.com. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below, and I'll see you next time.